Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we're going to be accessing the hidden menu for your Sync 3 system and showcasing you all the Lincoln themes available in your Sync 3 system. If you are new here and you don't know how to access the Sync 3 hidden menu, I highly recommend checking one of my videos out so you yourself can actually access all these Lincoln themes on your, whether you've got a Ford vehicle or a Lincoln vehicle. You can access all these themes for your Sync 3 system. It is actually pretty easy to access the hidden menu on your Sync 3 system, but for purpose of this video, let's go take a look at all the Lincoln themes available on your Sync 3 system. Well guys, that's all I've got for the Lincoln themes available for your Sync 3 system. Again, this works for the Ford vehicles and the Lincoln vehicle as well. There were only a couple of themes that actually did not work on my Mustang, like this one, which just gives me a blank screen. I've tried multiple times and restarting it and all of that stuff, it not works. So maybe if you do have a Lincoln vehicle, it will work for you. I do also have an in-depth video on all the Ford themes available for your Sync 3 system if you want to check that out as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment below which one is your favorite theme, and of course subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.